Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I'll show you how you can change your author information on your courses. So when student will visit my website and on this course catalog page, they will be able to see specific author information and the course information from this course catalog page. So here you can see, here is the course author name and here is the author image. So if students visit the course page, they will be able to see more details about the course author information. So from here, from this course page, they can see the image, they can see the bio, they can see the author name. So as an author, you can change this information like the image, the first name, last name, and the bio. So for that, first we have to visit our WordPress dashboard. Then we have to visit users and all users. So as I'm the author, so here is my profile. So we have to click on edit to modify my information. So here you can see I have my first name, I have my last name. So I'll change my first name and last name. Also, as the author, I can change my nickname. So I'm adding a random name here. Also, I can select the public name that will be displayed on my website. So when you will use first name and last name, you will get some combination here. So I always prefer to add the full name here. And from this portion, author can change their bio or author can add their bio. So here I'll just change my name. So you can modify the bio from here. And as an author, I can change my profile pictures. So to add a new profile pictures, you have to sign in your Gravatar profile. If you don't have any account on Gravatar, you have to create an account there and you have to add your image on the gravatar.com. So we already have some resource on that. I will add that resource on the comment section. So please check that out. So from this gravatar.com, you can change your profile and that will automatically visible here. So now I will update my profile. Now if I visit my course catalog page and refresh it, I will see the new name. So here is the new author name. And if I visit the course page, so here you can see the new bio, new author name and new bio. So this is how you can change the author information. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.